in the business. Here they are on the roll, the two Boeing Stearman Model 75s of the Aerosuperbatics Wingwalkers. Breitling.
Breitling indeed. Now these aircraft, of course, are not conventional Stearmans. They have 450 rated engines, 450 horsepower rated engines. Obviously the passengers causing quite a lot of drag to a normal aircraft. We have to make compensation for that. 450 horsepower radial Pratt & Whitney achieves that. And these airplanes also have...
And they've got a terrific view of you over on their sides like that, so do wave back please, to show them that you're enjoying their really considerable exertion, because we're not joking, it's windy enough on the ground here today.
Yeah.
Up there it's even worse.
It is. And whilst we enjoy lots of pilots are out of work, and they would, in America for example, hop from town to town, giving displays, giving trips to...
On top of the wings. The team leader is about to call the break. And there they are, right in front of us here. Now it doesn't just take the skills of the two Wingwalkers to do this display either. It takes very experienced pilots, and Aerosuperbatics is full of those. We've got Dave Barrell leading the pair and Steve Newjame as the number 2 pilot this weekend. Dave must be one of the most experienced wing-walking pilots, perhaps apart from Vic Norman, the team's founder, in the world, I would have thought. He's been leading the formation pair for many years. He really is a Stearman expert as well. He started flying them with Eastern Stearman at Swanton Morley in Norfolk.
He's got over 5,000 hours on his licence, and he numbers over 1,300 displays.
He's also a very talented engineer.
Not away from here.
Yes, yes, he started, as a lot of display pilots do, and a lot of pilots who move on to vintage aircraft do, building up his hours by flying skydiving aircraft at a local club. That's a very good way into doing that, because of course you get a lot of takeoffs and landings. The lead wingwalker of the pair, and Emma Broad. In the opposite direction is the reverse goose. You can see there they're now down behind the upper wing.